Hi guys, so I'm back with another farmhouse video. If you've not watched the first part of this farmhouse video that is about poultry farming, please check it. I'll link it down. I'll link it as part of this video so that you can be able to get in tune and watch the first part, then go to the second part. So about 2 months ago, I posted that video and I wanted to do a follow-up or an update of the farmhouse, and today I am here. I am back. As you can see behind me, maybe there is some updates. Also, the gate is in green right now, so I'm going to show you what we've been up to, how the progress, and maybe go into details of some of the things that I didn't do in the previous video. So come with me, let's do this. So guys, this is the first update to this farmhouse. Last time we didn't have this small shelter. We want to put some goats. We want to start to add some goats to the farmhouse, and this right here is where the goats will be staying. You know, this is the feeding area, and then the goats will stay in there. We shall start with, we will start adding some few goats, and then proceed as time goes by. We'll go on and add some more goats. So in this video you're going to see some of the first goats that we are going to receive. That is today, and then later on, if I'll do a follow-up later on, you'll see as the number of goats increase. Also, another update is okay, last time we had ducks only, these ducks, this one and this type, but now we have some turkey. We have an additional 1, 2, 3 turkeys in the farmhouse. So here we go. For some reason, I'm in love with this duck. This duck has so much personality. It's just fun. It's fun to watch. And actually, one of the reasons people rear ducks is to just have these birds walking around the homestead and such. Walking around your home, you can actually sit down and just watch these beauties as they walk around, and they make your home feel lively and just like there's life in that home. So I personally enjoy watching this one. It has so much personality. So guys, remember the 8 chicks that we had in our last video? These are the chicken now. These are the 8 chicks now. Even more. They are now this size. So later, about 2 months later, this is how they look like. They are already big, but they are not yet laying eggs. They're still small, but you can see the difference 2 months make. I'm actually very, very impressed. So Today we have 6 newly hatched chicks. Here they are. So in about 2 months, they'll be the size of the other ones that I've showed you in the shelter. And these are the grown chicken. These ones are actually laying eggs. Yeah, and we are hatching the eggs in an incubator that I'll show you later. It may not be in this video because the incubator is not here at the farm, but I'll soon show you how the eggs are hatching. Guys, look at this duck. This one wants to lay an egg. Maybe we should wait and see if it does. So the duck has laid the egg and has left. So there's something wrong with this one. We are trying to put some medication on it. It's been tortured by the other ducks. Oh my god. I'm just feeling sorry for it. This is the medication that we're using. It's like a spray. It's a spray actually to treat the wounds whenever the birds are hurt. It's a bully. It has so much personality, but it's also a bully because it's bullying the smaller ducks, and it has actually hurt the small one, the one that we were treating. Why are you such a bully? It's such a bully. So guys, this is a new feature in this farmhouse that we want to introduce. It's called hydroponics.
Broke up and 40 centimeters. So it's like 4 feet by 4. It's like 120 centimeter
by 40
centimeter. Hii peke yake itachukua 2 kgs. Another one 2 kgs. Another one 2 kgs. Sasa which means we plant 6 kgs. Then we spread evenly. Hakuna mahali itakuwa hapo kubwa hapa ndogo. No. Inafaa iko hivi. Those are 3 factors.
The 3 factors of germination. Water, light
and oxygen. Ndio. Sasa itakuwa una irrigate after like 3 to 4 hours. Which means per day uta irrigate 3 or 4 times per day depending on the weather conditions. Maybe ikuwe very hot, itakuwa 4 times. But sasa imekuwa kama cool, itakuwa 3 times. Unaweka hapa sasa wet spread. Unaanza kumwagilia maji. Si ndio? harvesting, it depends with which animal will fit. So, kuku uta harvest within 4 days. Uta harvest utakuwa majua utakuwa hii size. But kama uko na mbuzi, ng'ombe, kondoo, nguruwe, uta harvest ikuwa na 6 days utakuwa hii size.
So guys, as I was saying, this is the newest feature in this farmhouse. We are going to this place, we are going to make something called hydroponic fodder. This is food for the animals, for the birds and maybe the goats that will be in the farmhouse. The process, as the person who is going to make it for us was just explaining, they are going to, they'll get wheat seeds, then they soak them for a day, for like maybe 12 hours is enough. They soak the seeds and then add chlorine. After the 12 hours, add chlorine and drain the water. So when they drain the water, they are going to put these seeds, the wet, now the damp seeds, they are going to put them in a sack, something like a sack, and hang them somewhere where they can, the water can drain slowly, 6 hours to let the water drain. And then after that, you take the seeds, you put them in a container that has a lid, something that you can close on top, and then you leave it there for like maybe 2 or 3 days, and this will enable them to start sprouting inside the container. After that, they are going to put them here. This thing, as you can see, it's slanted. They are going to put the seedlings, the germinating seedlings here, and then they start growing, and then they'll have some holes on this surface. Because you'll be adding some water, you'll have some holes to drain the excess water, and so the seedlings will germinate and produce this food. This food now they're just going to harvest and give to the birds and the goats. As you can see, there is some changes from when you compare it to the last video. And today I came with my cousin. Yeah, my cousin. His name is Victor. And he wanted to come and see the farm. So here we are. So Victor, what do you think? What do you think about the farmhouse?
Very therapeutic. Yeah, I want to be here like every weekend.
So guys, remember to, if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the video. And as usual, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and help me, let us grow this family, this community. I want to pick a few of the spring onions from this farm for use in my kitchen, in the city, because hapa ni ushago.